Okay, hi Peach family. Please subscribe, please. Leave a like on this video. And we're gonna be making slime today. Or I already made it. But this is how, sorry about my background, this is not usually where I am. But this is somewhat of cloud slime. Sorry, my swirl is kind of bad. This is really springy. Woo! So yeah, all you need to make this is some Elmer's clear glue, blue food coloring, baking soda, contact solution, some Amazon cloud slime, doesn't matter. Get a container that looks like this and add this in with it, because that's plenty. Whoops. Sorry, it's not overactivated. Alright, so I'm gonna bring you guys up close. 1 second. Here, I'll show you a piece of it. I dropped it. Well, you guys get the point. It's stretchy. I'll make a tiny little swirl for you guys. So cute. Alright. It doesn't stick back. Oh, yes, it does. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bigger piece. Alright. You probably hear my TV in the background. Do you guys see the little speckles? Sorry, that's my neighbor's car. Shut up, car. No, it's kind of springy. But yeah, on Saturday I will not be uploading a video. I'm sorry. Oh, you guys can go check out my Musical.lys that I uploaded. Unless it's on my other account. But yeah. So this is it. And so I'm making a swirl with you guys. So there's this swirl. Would you shut up, car? Okay. So I'm gonna make an actual. Okay, that broke easily. So I'll go kind of slower. This is how I always make my swirls. When I lay down. Woo! Oh, and I just kind of grab onto the bottom and you just wrap it around. And then that's how I make my poop swirls. But yeah. So, yeah. I wish I would have shown you guys what I did. But I kind of forgot. I'm always videoing. But yeah. That is how you make cloud slime. Well, that's how I at least make it. Oh, I've made my other slimes. Oh, by the way, my other channel is Anna Margaret Smoggy. That is ANNAMARGRET SMOGE. That's how you guys spell it. And yeah. this is my slime. This is not usually how I make my slimes. Oh, I will show you in the next video what my crunchy slimes look like. Alright, bye!